morning and welcome to your Eagles Nest Live for your AHS Morning News. Hello, I'm Courtney.
Hello, I'm Macy.
Hello, I'm Logan.
And I'm Allie, and we're here to provide you with the news for today, Thursday, September 24th. During Orange Light status, ESS tutoring sessions are available in science, math, and English via Google Meet each Tuesday and Thursday afternoon from 3:30 to 4:30. Students must register using their school email account each day that a tutoring session is needed. You can find the ESS registration link under the Students Quick Link tab on Apollo's homepage. Immediately following registration, an email will be sent to you with a Google Meeting link to join the tutoring session. If you plan to attend, be prepared to ask questions.
If students are going to be unable to participate and be actively engaged in any class, parents should call to report the student's absence at 270-852-7100.
Attention, juniors and seniors. You can sign up for today's Lunch and Learn hosted by Western Kentucky University on your grade level Google Classroom. Lunch and Learns are from 11:30 to 12. Students are sent a Google Meet link in the morning of the event. If you have any questions, please reach out to Ms. Kelly Spa.
Please remember, if you have trouble with your device at home, you may contact our help desk at tech.help@davis.kyschools.us.
Breakfast and lunch are free for all DCPS students this semester. While we are on Orange Light status, Apollo High School students can pick up their free meals on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 11:30 to 12:30 at the Gemini student drop-off and pickup area.
We want to wish the following co-curricular activities good luck this evening. The JV and varsity boys soccer teams as they travel to play South Warren, and the varsity girls soccer team as they travel to play McLean County. Thank you and have a great day.
Good morning, Eagles. Welcome to your Thursday. I wanted to give a few shout outs today to start our day today. Had a great day with our freshmen, Group A freshmen yesterday. We hope to repeat that with our Group B freshmen next Wednesday. A lot of people helped out to get through the day, and I wanted to especially give special thanks to our 100s staff who helped in the serving of lunch. Made it a little bit more challenging. We've been serving a lot of pickup meals on Gemini pickup entrance, but then we had students in the building yesterday, so it presented a pretty big challenge for our cafeteria staff. But the hundreds area staff came through and helped out to make sure that all got fed accordingly. So appreciate everybody's work and stepping up and looking out for each other. That's just the way we do. That's the way we roll here at Apollo. As far as birthdays go, today, Savannah Marks, Samuel Patton, Carter Thompson, and Tawa is celebrating a birthday on this 24th. Let's make it a great day.
Please stand for the pledge. Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.